Okay, so what we got here is a Toyota CHR GR Sport Hybrid, installed with the StarLine S9 alarm and immobilizer system with tracking included. So, if a thief copies or clones your key, the moment they open the door without the StarLine tag, what's going to happen? You can hear the alarm going off. And what's going to happen also is the system's going to call you on the phone to let you know someone's trying to start the vehicle.
Alarm in alarm system mode. Door open. Because arm alarm system. Central lock open.
So it lets you know what's happening with the vehicle. And also the thief will not be able to drive the vehicle. As you can see, it does not say ready. And the car engine will not turn on because the car is fully immobilized. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring the tag with me. Okay, so now we've got the StarLine tag. So you need this tag present. No tag, no start, and the alarm will go off. So now I can start the vehicle as normal. You can see at the bottom left it says ready. So the vehicle will now be able to be driven. So with the StarLine app, with this system, get full tracking included, so you can track your vehicle, you can control the alarm system, you can remote immobilize the vehicle, and also turn the system off for service mode. If you want the system installed on your vehicle to protect you from being stolen, if you have a Toyota as well, we can install this on other vehicles as well. So if you want to know, inquire down below. See the link to our website for more information. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.